Welcome to this PC building video, bros. I'm just kidding. Got this case from Shady Bay.
You can see it's sponsored by eBay. With
the E.
the E.
Nah, I'm just kidding. It's trash. I'm pretty sure it's an E-machine case.
E-machine.
Yeah, it's an E-machine case.
E.
Okay. Looks like they didn't even have the hard drive.
Wow.
Alright, bros. Let's just make sure this front panel is actually like...
And the awkward silence.
Yep. Alright, so we got the front panel off.
Shit, you broke it.
Nah. Gotta check if the power switch is working. Okay, yeah, power switch is working. Could've just This is Dusty bitch.
Dusty
Like,
boy.
Dude, look how dusty that is. 1080p dust.
Dust.
All right.
Dust. Coming to theaters near you. Ready to the
Alright. Well, it's on there nice and tight. Got my screws.
Holy crap, man.
Here, let's pause it there, because, you know, we're back after a minor inconvenience of, forgetting the screwdrivers. Okay, let's just slap all of them.
Bruh.
Alright. This is not actually a double chocolate chip cookies. It's just...
Oh my god,
Oh,
man,
screws.
BBs from Fallout 3.
What? Alright. Okay, here's our... This is our switch. Don't know.
Did you say this was our Switch?
Not Nintendo Switch.
Switch.
Switch. Make the switch
Dude, what's
now.
that thing?
That's for... It's for holding cords. For cable management, bro.
Oh.
Yeah, bro.
Oh. Shows you how much I know about computers. But I'm just here because I'm getting paid.
Alrighty. Nah, just kidding.
I'm not getting paid. I volunteer for this.
Nah, I'm just kidding. Alright. Actually, though. But seriously, though, let's... Okay, so we already have a disk drive up here.
You do?
Yeah, dude, right there. Is it dark or what?
It's,
see if it's dark.
It's good. It's good.
Good enough.
Yeah, it's good enough.
Alright. Get our... Okay.
Okay.
Let's get our motherboard out, bro. For this...
Oh my god, dude, it's a
old-ass
village.
Case, for this
Dude, it's a
old-ass
city.
case, we chose to go with a slightly older motherboard. By slightly, I mean way older motherboard.
Motherboards and such always look like cities.
Yeah. This one looks like a... Has like...
Factory. It's a giant factory. Dude, it's Willy Wonka's
First,
chocolate
we're gonna put
factory.
in the motherboard.
Dude, it's Willy
Yeah.
Wonka's chocolate factory.
Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. So first, we're gonna put in the motherboard, which we're gonna need this. I have to put this in.
Do you know how to put in the motherboard?
Luigi board.
The Luigi board?
Now we're just gonna slap in this panel here. Oh, hold on a second. Okay. Oh yeah, I gotta put these sexy PC parts in here.
Yeah. You're not making a girlfriend.
Making a girlfriend? Whoa! That's a little bit too far there, bud.
Yeah.
Okay, so we already actually have the core on here. It's AMD Athlon X2. It's 64-bit. Base speed is 2.16 gigahertz for both cores. So, I mean, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's not that good, though, honestly. It's not going to do much gaming, even though this is a gaming test.
It's testing for gaming.
Yeah, we're just going to do some... We're not expecting it to perform that much, honestly. We're going to be using a graphics card. Yes, obviously. You can't game without a graphics card, obviously.
Or else everything's just gonna look pink and such.
Just crap. It's just going to be crap.
You'll just see nothing.
Okay, let's make sure everything's lined, you know. Good. All right.
Yeah, seems good.
Okay, let's push that back in there. Now let's get our screws out. Yeah, you can skip this part. Alright, boys. Back at it again. Now we gotta actually do some screwing.
Back at it again, the Krispy Kreme.
Nice. Let's just tilt a little bit more towards the camera. Alright, let's get in there, boys. Okay. First, we're gonna screw the top, because we want the top screwed in.
Yeah.
So we can actually start screwing.
Wait, did you say we don't want the top screwed in?
No, I said because we want the top screwed in.
Oh, okay.
And that's how you fuck up, boys. I'm just kidding. Nah,
thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, it's just be bad. Okay, now we just gotta screw in the rest of the thing. By the way, just a tip when putting CPU cooler on. When you're screwing them in, try to screw it from the top, one in the top, and then do it crisscross after that. Just so it doesn't, you know, do anything bad.
Yeah.
Ding, 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 ding. We should seriously add some elevator music to this. Now let's get one in the middle, right there.
Getting that nice screwing action on.
Oh yeah.
Man, I'm doing my best to make this interesting.
Yeah, this isn't.
With the zooming at least.
Oof.
Did you break it?
No, I was just putting another screw on it.
Ah.
Nibba. By the way, we do not have an M over pass. Wait, is there even a... Bruh, is there even a stand for that one right there?
I have no clue.
Doesn't look like it. Whatever.
Well, we fucked up.
No, we didn't fuck up. It's just that there wasn't a thing for it. Oh yeah, getting that screwing action, baby. Okay. Now we're gonna screw in this one. Oof! By the way, this motherboard is DDR2. We know that. We got RAM for it. I don't know if it supports any other DDR, but it doesn't seem to be like it. Never mind. That's not even a screw hole. It's just a useless hole.
Just a random hole there.
Yeah. How to get your screw stuck 101.
Stick it in a random hole.
Yep. A random hole lying on your motherboard. And this is the part where we try to shake it out.
Hello, and welcome to Shaking Simulator.
Alright, we're good. Back to the video. Alright. There's no way all that's screwed in already. No way. No way, Jose. Okay, yeah. We were mistaken. We're fools.
You fools. Is that a threat, ma'am? Let me speak to your manager. I am the manager.
That's just bad.
Hey, it was a meme that someone made on the internet.
Alrighty.
What were you
Oh
expecting
yeah,
some
look at all that stuff, boys.
What can you expect from memes?
Yeah, I know.
I am the Senate. Not yet.
Yeah.
No, you.
It's in there pretty secure and tight. Now, time for the RAM, ladies and gentlemen. It's gonna be alrighty, boys. We have some DDR2. We have 2 EPDA sticks and 2 Samsung sticks. They're all for 800 megahertz. So they're 800 megahertz DDR2. These are only 1 gig sticks, sadly, because we couldn't find the 2 gig sticks. but that's on us. So,
Nothing we could really do about that now, is there?
yeah, it's better. Okay, let's get all of our RAM sticks available. Now we gotta place.
Kind of reminds me of a
RAM in
spaceship.
there.
You know, like when you're
hold on a
flipping a whole
minute.
bunch of stuff to activate something or whatever and whatnot.
Okay. Well, now it looks like it's about to go in right. Just gotta click it in. You see the click. Should click on both sides, make sure it's nice and secure. Then you go just like that.
And you do that for all of them.
Yep. That's pretty much just it. So you have your RAM installed. And then you just click. Okay, this one doesn't want to. There we go.
That didn't sound good, BT Dubs.
Yeah, I know. Of course it doesn't sound good. Because it didn't want to go in.
And I heard like a little tearing sound.
It'll be fine. Trust me, I know. It'll be fine. Sounded like that because I'm pretty sure there was dust in there. Oh,
So
yeah.
you're crunching all the dust.
Yes, it's like crunching all the dust.
Bruh.
It's kind of nat. Oh my god, there's dust coming out of the. I don't think you guys can see it. Wait, you guys can't see
can.
it. Yeah.
It's a dust storm. You can't take much more about
Alright,
the come.
man. Alrighty, man. Now, let's see here. Don't ask why we use two different brands. We just did.
Because why not?
Okay. Now it was a very silent click, but it still clicked. So that's the important part. Alrighty. I just want to...
Copyrighting music.
Alrighty. Now all of our RAM's in there secure. That's nice. Just gotta make sure all of our things are secure. Now we gotta install the hard drive, ladies and gentlemen. And actually, while we're here, we might as well plug in some other stuff. So, like, this power switch. Now, I believe for this motherboard, it's plugged into 6 and 8. And that is the red cord. Let's zoom out there. Yeah.
Bro, your hand's blocking.
Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means that we have the last two right here.
Your hand's blocking again, dude.
It's okay.
Nice skin action going on.
Okay. I don't know where the hell that plugs into, but I don't feel like trying to figure it out right now. I bet you plugged into the side right there, but I don't care. Enough right now.
Probably.
Now these would be for... Look at my hair. Okay. Let's see, this one would go... I'm just gonna put it in here because make it look nicer. Now you gotta be careful with these tiny pins, because the tiny pins, they'll like
Bend easily.
yeah, they bend really easily. But don't be too gentle, because you still gotta put it on there.
Yeah. You don't want to be there all day just trying to push it in.
Yeah.
Because of how gentle you are.
Now we gotta found it. All right. By the way, it's just my personal opinion. You should probably always do the power last, because I mean, You don't
Opinions.
Yeah, it's just my opinion. You don't have to.
Other people like other things more, but if you want, you could do the power first. But this is just his opinion.
Yeah, it's safest to do it this way.
In your opinion.
Yeah.
Opinions, am I right?
Yeah. Can't be too opinionated. All right, we got that stuff plugged in. Now, All right, so we're gonna be using a hard drive, 500 gigabyte, 7200 RPM. It's not like complete trash, but I mean it isn't gonna be an older
decent.
PC. Yeah, decent. I'd rather use an SSD. It's way faster.
Wish in one hand, shit in the other.
Has a
See which one fills up first.
precision to disk. It's from Seagate.
CJ.
No, it's from Seagate. There's your specs, boys.
Dude.
Yeah.
Stop making a sound.
All right, now we're gonna install the hard drive bay because we are.
Because.
Oh, actually, no. We just need one of these. Now you see. Yeah, it's gonna go on like this. Just a little lip. Okay, I think the cords may be interfering.
Interference. Careful not to break it, man.
It's not gonna break. It's just touching a piece of metal.
Still.
Okay, there is a problem here.
Houston, we have a problem.
Houston, we have a problem.
Houston, we got a problem here.
Okay. Let's just try and put them off to the side for now. Oh, it's the side that's... Okay.
Bruh. Bro screeny.
Okay. Now it should go in. Hopefully.
Hopefully. Okolite, dokolite. There we go. Got it in. Oh yeah, man, gaming.
I'm not exactly sure if that's in. Hey, just gonna make sure, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Feels pretty secure. See, this clip isn't going all the way in. At least it looks like it. It's not going all the way in.
And that's why you have screws to
There
make
you
sure
go.
it does.
Yep.
Fuck you, Baltimore. Coming down to Cleveland again, so Cleveland. Coming down to Cleveland town, everyone. Under construction since 1868. See our river that catches on fire. It's so polluted that all our fish have AIDS. We see the sun almost 3 times a year. This guy has at least 3 DUIs. Our economy's based on LeBron James. Buy a house for the price of a VCR. Our main export is crippling depression.
Alright, yeah, now it's in there nice and secure. So we're actually gonna...
Plus it looks like a Scooby-Doo ghost town.
Well, shit. You see, now we have to take it out.
Why?
Because we forgot to put the hard drive in the hard drive bay.
Bruh. You have to put it in first.
Don't you love being dumb?
Don't you love just fucking up?
take it out.
Cinematic view.
Bruh. Okay.
Trying to get some of that good hard drive action.
Hold on. Just gotta make sure it's in there, you know?
Yeah, man.
This one does not want to, like... Oh.
What? Backwards or upside down or
It was
something?
backwards.
Sucker.
Pain in the arse. Alright. Now we just take 4 of these. Again, with the crisscross method, it's just much better. Makes everything way easier.
Yeah.
So I just screw one over here on this side. It's just nice and tight. And then now, I go to this side. Screw it in. Over in the back.
Nice skid action going out there, buddy.
Okay. But actually, though, let's just do it like this, because... Okay. Okay. That's a little bit,
All around me are familiar faces. Don't you just love copyrighted music?
Yes. That's why we can't use it. Okay, now it doesn't want to screw in. Okay.
It's crooked.
Yeah, I know it's crooked. For some reason, it's going in there crooked. I'm gonna get a drill, man. Apparently does not want to go in there straight.
Why though? Why?
Nobody knows.
You have so much to live for.
Oh my god, it's twisting. I got it, don't worry. I'm just gonna unscrew this one.
Make sure it goes in right this time.
For some reason, it has to go in sideways. We're just not gonna screw in that one. Now, how about that? Now, ha ha ha.
Yeah.
It only really needs 3. And it's not like it's gonna break.
You're shaking it around too much.
Alrighty. Now we gotta put it back in there.
Alrighty, take 2.
Take 240,000.
Take 297.
Yeah, pretty much.
Take triangle.
Take triangle.
Corn dog.
Take 50E.
Take 1A. Take 1B. Take 1C.
Don't worry, we'll show you guys a little bit of gaming on it too.
Got some of that nice creaking.
Alright. By the way, we're not professionals, obviously.
This is your first time, right?
No, not for building a PC. I mean, I'm okay at building PCs. But... Alright. Well, now we gotta plug in the hard drive. So, this part will go into your motherboard. And this one goes into your hard drive.
Mother? Is that you, mother?
Your mother.
Your mum.
Okay. I'm plugging in this one. Nah, yeah, I'm gonna plug it. Nah, I'm gonna plug in this one.
Which one will you plug it into
I'll plug it in
first?
Alright. Now we gotta plug in our disk drive. So... Yeah, plug it in. Skadoosh. Look at that, boys. We got an almost functioning PC.
Nice. Now all you need is graphics card.
Whew. Oh, I almost forgot about the graphics card. Yeah. So for this, since it's a slightly older, well, an older computer, we're going to be using the ATI Radeon HD 4650. It's not bad. It's like a 1 gigabyte card.
Bruh.
It is pretty bad, actually. I'm not sure if this is broken because this has just been sitting in our drawer of PC parts. So if this ends up being broken, I'm just gonna throw a NVIDIA GTX 1050 in it. Call it good.
Because it's the next best thing.
The next thing. Nuh-uh,
Nah.
dude. The 1050, dude, that's like dank compared to this graphics card. Compared to this graphics card, it's like a god. This graphics card is ass.
That graphics card created this one.
Yeah. Does support HDMI, so... Yeah, but it is older, so don't get your hopes up. So how to install your graphics card? You see, you just gotta carefully put it in here. Well, we fucked up, son. We don't have the bracket on right now.
Bruh.
You always want to have your bracket on. Always. Okay, so back again. Finally found the freaking bracket. Okay. So it's just gonna go in here, like so. Now, I couldn't find the rest of the screws, so we're just gonna use 2. Well, PCI lock, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Or just screw like... Well, we're not going to be using VGA, so I don't really care about that.
But it's VGA.
Exactly why I don't care about it. And we don't have the screws. We're just going to be using the HDMI. I don't know, what HDMI cord are you going to be able to plug into this? Dude, I think this graphics card is just a smidge too big.
Smidge?
The lock. The PCI lock for it.
Hold on, let me try. I want to work my magic here. I want to see if I can work my magic.
Won't fit.
Because for some reason I have magic. Like, the other day, my brother got a parlor puzzle where there was a couple of nails in like a hook thing. He was trying to take it apart, but couldn't.
Okay, yes, it will fit.
And
you just have
me,
to put it in.
I took it apart in like 2 seconds. And he claimed that was magical.
That was your brother.
Yeah. My mom also had troubles. My dad, he didn't really care.
Alright. So, now let's put it back in. So, first you're going to open your PC lock thing. And now you always want to be careful with this because you don't want to break it. Speaking of which, since it's been sitting in a drawer, we should probably clean it too.
Instead of just blowing a whole bunch of dust everywhere.
Yeah. Also, we have not put windows on it yet. But you'll get a gaming video later.
This is just the building tutorial.
How to build your PC. Now you're just going to push in till you see it, nice and clicked in. Now, we don't have our little thing put on it right now, so it won't actually click. But just make sure it's nice and tight in there. And you can see that there's no gold pins showing. Make sure your things are plugged in. And then put them in place. There you go. Now, we're going to have to do, by far, one of the most annoying parts ever.
Man, what part is that?
Putting in the power supply. Look how many cords there are. Okay.
Okay.
So we chose a 400 watt power supply. Only because it would be better.
Dynex.
Alrighty. Now, what you want to do is fit your part in there nice and good. This is the most annoying part ever.
I can tell.
Okay, here's your pause video really quick. We'll get back to you when we put this thing in. Don't worry, it's not that hard, but
It's just annoying.
Yeah, it's annoying. Okay, so, well, got it in. Now let's screw this bad boy in. You might want to hold this part. You might want to hold that part.
Hold it. There. Like.
Yeah. Alright. Now, around back, we gotta screw some stuff in. So, let's start with the top. Tell you when it's good to let go.
Alright.
Now, you could do this by yourself, theoretically, but who does that when you have a friend?
Nobody. Because pretty much the only friends that people make now are online.
Yeah, pretty much. Alright. Now we're going to put this piece. You can stop holding it now. In there. This is really hard to screw this in. For some reason.
It's not wanting to go in again.
Well, no, it's going in.